Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. So I'm going to be showing you guys the little things that I will be bringing for my 3 to 4 day trip to California. And I had to minimize everything to actually look neat and presentable, so I don't have to jam so many stuff on my trip. I'm a heavy packer, so staying light is not very fun for me, but then I had to, and it worked out great. So I'm actually bringing this suitcase. As you can see, it's pretty small. Sorry, I was trying to zipper it, or trying to zip the cube box or pack, and then I was just trying to put it in there just to let you guys see how it is. And what you see there is my iron, my curling iron for my hair, and those are my toiletries. I had a couple of videos about my toiletries, and then the next bag will be for my makeup. So I have my toiletries, my makeup, and my clothes, and my undies, and my undergarments. I put them in the Ziploc bag. So I'm just trying to see how this all fit before I actually show you piece by piece. But yeah, so I actually put all the undergarments in a Ziploc bag, so I don't have to look for it like crazy. Sometimes I actually do that. So now I actually put it in a Ziploc bag over my cube bag or box or cube packing cube. So yes. And then, as you can see here, I'm trying to try to put everything inside so everything fits neat and properly, so I can actually close this bag. And what I have here is just this, these are all my medication. You can actually put earrings or jewelries in here too as well. I get these from Walgreens. Sometimes they have them for you, so it's nice and convenient. And then I'm just bringing those in case I do have headaches or fever or get sick on my way there. And then this is just my brushes. I think it's a MAC. Yeah, it's from MAC. So I just put little some of my brushes in there, makeup brushes, and I just stick them in there, so it's really nice, and it has a very great spot for my items. I'm so sorry that I'm actually moving so much. I'm using one hand to actually close or zip everything, and you know how that goes. So it was pretty hard, so I was trying to actually see if I can actually fit everything inside, just testing it out. And there's my baby's foot. So I'm actually putting everything inside, as I mentioned earlier, just to see how everything is, so I can actually open it up again and show you guys what I have, what I'm bringing to minimize my light packing. And then I'm bringing sunglasses too as well, and then I'm bringing charger in a different bag, in a mini size backpack. So that's why I'm not showing some of those items, and I'm just showing you the big part of the item. So trying to zip that around the corner was pretty hectic, but I did it. And that is my makeup bag, and that is my toiletry bag. I have some liquid stuff in there that's makeup related too as well. And the next one is my makeup brushes and my medicine, and those are all my clothes, and that is my curling iron. I'm taking them out to show you what I packed. Since it's only for a 3 to 4 day trip, I didn't pack so much. I didn't think I need that many clothes. Chances are we may go shopping for more items. Maybe I won't, due to the fact that my suitcase is super small. So yeah, so I'm gonna open the Q pack and show you just a brief little idea of what's in it. And so I'm just gonna give you a little glimpse of some of the clothes that I put in there. I roll them all up. Those are my undergarments in a Ziploc bag, and I brought a few pairs of sweaters and shorts and swimsuits in case they do have a pool. So yeah, so that's just a little bit of example. Thank you so much for watching. It's just a little brief clip of light minimal packing, just to see what fits inside the suitcase. If you want to check out my other videos of how I pack, usually I pack like 2 suitcases, but this one I only did it down to 1, since I'm bringing my 7-month-old with his backpack, diaper bag, and my son's suitcase, so I had to minimize my packing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.
Jump right in your car, waking up on your sofa.